Hi, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. You're watching a video press release, and with me today I've got Alan Middleman, who's Senior Vice President with Freedom Wholesale Mortgage. Thank you so much for joining us, Alan.
Thanks for having me, Andrew. Nice introduction. Good job.
I appreciate that. Listen, after like 6 years of doing this, I think I'd finally get it. But listen, I had you on today. Listen, we started off the year with this like best price guarantee for VA and FHA, which I thought that was just an unbelievable offering that you made to the mortgage broker. And then now you come in actually with this new product announcement. Let's talk about it and tell us a little bit about the new product you guys are rolling out.
Yeah, so that FHA VA guarantee was a big deal. A lot of our competitors come out and make big announcements and they're going to change the world, and then it disappears a couple weeks later. That FHA VA guarantee lets the broker know that it doesn't matter what he's got. We have the best price. We don't say we have the best price. We guarantee it. If you got to purchase 640 plus, it's guaranteed to be the best price on an FHA VA. So that's good. And it worked really well for us. Our business picked up. We're doing a whole lot of loans. But what do you do next, right?
Yeah.
You can't go back to what you were doing. You have to be better all the time. And we took the angle that, maybe we can do more to help the borrower. Because if the independent mortgage broker can help the borrower more and worry less about the structure of his business, because if you help the borrower, you're going to get more loans. So we came up with a product to do that. And should I introduce it right now, Andrew? Ready?
Drum roll, please.
Nice job. So it is a cash out loan at 95% LTV and combined CLTV that will get your borrower out of financial trouble. Because you can do a cash out loan today, and if that borrower served the country, he can do a VA 100% cash out. But if it's not that situation, there's an issue. If a guy has a real high credit score, yeah, he can take care of himself because he can go get a HELOC, right? You got a 760 score, you go to a bank, get a HELOC. Or go to your independent mortgage brokers, because that product's becoming available more and more today. But by and large, there's a hole for borrowers in trouble. They're doing those FHA loans, they're hitting that 85%. And by the time you include everything in and everything the guy's got to pay, it misses. You're at 87%, 88%. So wouldn't it be great if you had a product at 90% to help them out? And then 90% doesn't work. So we go all the way to 95%. Pretty cool.
That's awesome. So let's get into little details about this. What kind of scores are you looking for on this?
So it goes from 640 up. That's pretty good. Yeah, and it's at a reasonable rate, right?
Well,
So
let's talk about rate. Well, so what kind of pricing are we looking on this?
so if you're 640 to 659, you're at 7.25, right? And if you're at higher than that, you're at 6.99. And everybody goes in their mind, they go like, it's a little bit heavy, but there's no MI. So take that FHA loan, you got your upfront, you got your insurance, you got your this, there's no MI.
So, DTI, what kind of DTI are you looking for on this?
So it's an interesting loan, right? This is a conventional FHA-ish kind of combination hybrid loan. You're going to register this loan like a conventional.
Yeah.
Right. You're going to use the HUD FHA county loan limits. It's only for primary homes. It's for 1 to 4 units. And then on the DTI, the question you asked, it's at 50. And we're doing it as like an FHA manual underwrite, but you're following both guides at one time. And everything's written out. So it's not like a maze course that you have to run through and you don't know where you're going. And the good thing about Freedom Mortgage is we believe that our account executives live where you live and work where you work. So you got people to help you keep your loans on track. That AE can walk into your office and help you get this loan done.
Yeah. Listen, the reason why you guys have some of the most senior, longest tenured account executives that work for Freedom. So listen, talking about the, as far as the TPO products selection, because I know this is a TPO product. What channels is this available through?
So this is a limited availability product.
Okay.
For everybody. And I'm being facetious. So TPO has a couple different channels. You have correspondent, you have wholesale correspondent, which is what we call mini correspondent, and then you have your independent mortgage brokers. It's not for correspondent. It's not for the wholesale correspondents. It's for the independent mortgage brokers. And if you are a mini correspondent with us, a wholesale correspondent, you probably have a mortgage broker's account, and you can do it through that account. And if you're a wholesale correspondent and you don't, you can open that account and do that loan with us.
Fantastic. So just listen, it's a further commitment of your support of the mortgage broker, the independent mortgage companies that are out there. You're giving them amazing pricing, with VA and FHA. You're giving them a new product actually that they're going to have exclusive access to, and you're also actually giving them the support of seasoned account executives who work with you in your market. So that's fantastic. Anything else that you wanted to cover on this product that we might have missed?
Comment you said, and I want to say that we're providing the broker with a product that will help the borrower, that will help the broker. Right? Take care of your borrower will take care of you.
100%. Fantastic. Beautiful. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this product, there'll be a URL so you can submit your information, get in contact with Freedom's wholesale team, and they'll tell you a little bit more about the product so you can understand it, about the, how to actually incorporate this product into your practice. I know you're probably watching this already thinking about borrowers that are in your pipeline that you'll be able to help. Alan, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate it.
I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.